This guide explains how to view Flamingo's live video or recorded procedures from a larger display, like a TV or monitor for live surgeries, training, or demonstrations. Projection can be done wired using an HDMI cable or wireless using casting or screen mirroring depending on your computer and TV model. First, let's set up Flamingo. Power on the Flamingo camera and connect it to your computer as usual. Confirm that the live image appears in the Flamingo app. The first way to connect the computer to the TV is by using an HDMI cable. Plug an HDMI cable into your computer and the TV. Using the TV remote, select the corresponding HDMI input, for example, HDMI 1. Now, duplicate your display. On a Windows PC, press the Windows key and P at the same time. Choose Duplicate from the menu. This will show the same image on both screens. On a Mac, go to System Settings, then Displays. From the settings, select Mirror Display. You can now maximize your Flamingo app and see your live camera view on the TV in real time. The second option is wireless casting or screen mirroring. First, connect both the computer and your smart TV to the exact same Wi-Fi network. On a Windows computer, press the Windows key and K at the same time. Choose your smart TV from the list. Once connected, select Duplicate to mirror your screen. On a Mac, click the Control Center icon in the menu bar. Then, click Screen Mirroring and choose your Apple TV or AirPlay-enabled TV from the list. Once your screen is mirrored, open the Flamingo app to see your live view on the large screen.